Ben, what's going on?
I've been trying to fall asleep for hours. Nothing seems to work.
That sounds very frustrating.
Yeah. I feel like this medication is just not working. I just don't feel great, and it's making me feel stressed.
Let's think this through together. We will work it out. Don't worry. Remember, you told me the doctor said it takes at least 2 weeks for SSRIs to be fully effective. You just need to give it some time.
Yeah. 2 weeks.
Look, having trouble falling asleep might be a side effect of your medication. The good news is that we can change the time you take it, from the evening to morning time.
Really? You can do that?
Yes, it can make a difference. Let's call the doctor in the morning, and according to his recommendation, I could reschedule our check-in call to the morning. It's all going to be okay.
Sure.
Now, this is a great opportunity to practice the mindfulness skill you loaded last week. And if this won't work, I can download a very boring podcast you can listen to. You will be out in no time.
Thanks, buddy.